Hey everybody, you guys are probably wondering what is this title of the video? What is it? So let me tell you why is it and what is it. Let me show you something. Let's go to OX library documentation. And what do we do here? We go to search bar and we go to logger. Now we open the logger system. Once we are in the logger system, we can see there is a function. This is the function. Okay, now this is this and there is that, but when you go to actually log or you want to log your like all the things that are happening in your server, what does it show you? It says Datadog. It shows you the 14-day trial period. Okay, otherwise there is a pricing system. It's not free, right? Then there is Gafran Loki. If you go to Gafran, it's actually not free, but you can self-host it, which is total mess, man. Like you wanna host your server in the VPS and in the same VPS you wanna host a Gafran account as well, Gafran self-hosting as well, which might take a lot of lag at your server, but you cannot just go ahead and rent another server for logging, correct? Who would do that? Now let's go ahead. We go to FiveManage. Yeah, this is also paid. Like these things are good. They are actually good at logging. They are made for logging. But these things are paid, not free. You guys are getting my point, right? So let's go ahead and head over to my repository, which is OX library logger change to Discord logging. Simple. You can see from the title and understand it that we are going to change the page functions of OX library from basic of these three to Discord. Now what we have to do is open this file here. We have to copy this line number 1. Okay, now we open our server location, which would be here. We go to our files, imports, logger, server.lua. Now at the top, at the very top, you will see this get convar, right? You have to commit this out and add your line here, this exact this line. Now head over back to the repository, copy this, and now let's scroll down, and where you see this on line number 95, FiveManage service equals FiveManage, what you have to do is press enter and paste your file here. In the OX library section we are done. There is nothing more we have to do. Okay, so we have added this. Now we have to go to our second step, correct? Let's just go to our resources, custom, not custom, let's go to QBox. We go to QBox, small resources, we go to ignore, we create this file logs.lua. Okay, now in logs.lua, the file that we have created, what we have to do is open this logs.lua in my repository, copy this exact file and paste it here. Okay, once we have pasted the file here, we are pretty much done. We have nothing more to do. Okay, only to fill these webhooks. And for example, if your webhook is not there, not present here, what it will do is automatically send the message to default webhook here. Let's say if I remove all these from here, okay, I've removed all these from here. I'll go to my Discord server and go here, integration. I'll go to this and copy this. Now let's say I paste my webhook here, and now I want to test the actual functionalities of this. Let's say we go to police job. Okay, in server side there are some commands here. Okay, let's say we add a new command for test. Let's say we add a command here, test webhook. Okay, we don't need this, so we'll just name it testing webhook logging for Discord. Discord, and we remove all these, and we add our function here, trigger event qb dash logs qb dash log server create log. This is one function to directly log. Okay, so what parameters does these function need? We have to literally see those first. So it going to need name, which will be the, or which also will be the name of webhook, but must match. It must match. Okay, so let's say we have a name here, test webhook. So we are not going to add test webhook here yet. Okay, what is the other thing? Title. We are not using title here, but there still is a title input, so we are going to give one. Testing. Then there is color, let's say blue, and then there is message, let's say this is a test for dream logger. Now there is a function tag URL, tag everyone. If we want to tag everyone, we can set to true, or we can, if we don't want to tag everyone, we can set it to false, or we can just leave it empty. See, we are not going to use this function. This function is, I don't know what it's for. If you want to send some image to Discord, I don't prefer using it, so don't. So there is one way to test this function. Okay, so now what we have to do is we are going to restart our server, because we can't restart OX library in the middle. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how you can actually fix your logs in OX library. Sorry, my bad. OX, not OX library, but OX inventory. We have to go to OX inventory, and then we have to open it with VS Code, the whole folder. Once we have done that, we are going to search for library.logger functions. Okay, once there, you will see these many functions, and you'll see something like this. There is a server log level, and there is a library logger inside that. What you have to do is move it outside of this function and commit out these checks. Okay, we have to do that for all the files. Wherever the logger is being used, don't leave one. Okay, so now your logs are going to be sent properly. Okay, I don't know whatever the mess is, but this is a temporary patch if you want your logs to be sent to Discord. Okay, So let's close this and let's see if our server has restarted. Okay, our server is restarted. So this is the command that we made. Okay, we fucked up. So this was actually going to be the command, so we have to restart the script. Say this works. Okay, this works. So we can just go ahead and start our test webhook. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. My bad, guys. What you have to do is you have to go to FX manifest of QBox small resources, add little brackets here, add s here, and add comma here. Then you can just add */ logs dot lua. So no matter what, where the file is located, it will just start. So now what we have to do is refresh and restart our small resources. Now let's test our test webhook. So our test webhook was not registered there properly. Still, it sent a message to our console that the name test webhook doesn't exist. Now how to add this into our logs? We go to logs.lua. We press enter here, add these brackets, these upper commas and this, and we'll just press equals and this, and we are good to go. Just need to paste the webhook. Okay, so now our test webhook is registered. You might see some weird shit popping up with some weird shit name, so don't panic about that. Just add those names and it will just work fine. Now let's see if the test webhook is working. See, the test webhook is actually working and is working fine. I don't think there is an issue. I hope this video helps you. If you liked the video and this worked for you, you please give a star and a like to our video. You can also give a star to our repository. Also make sure to subscribe the channel, or you can visit our store. All the links are in description. If you need any kind of support, you can join our Discord, raise a ticket there, or you can join wait for support channel. I'll drag you in the voice channels and will help you man personally. So that's that. I hope this video is helpful and may work for you.